Yeah!
Kim and Kelly!
Here, Glenn.
I'm here.
It's Jordan.
You all are confusing me.
Yes, be patient, Glenn.
Oh yeah.
Glenn, don't go that way. Danger! Danger! Be careful, Glenn.
What happened? Oh, it's painful. My knee.
I think he hurt his knee. Oh, he's bleeding.
We should call an ambulance.
Yes.
Hello, I am Dr. Cure. What happened?
My knees are hurting. So much pain, doctor.
Okay, let me see. I have to put some antiseptic liquid on your wound to clean it. Then I will apply a bandage and finish the dressing. Then we have to do x-ray to see if there is any bone damage.
Will that hurt, doctor?
Yes, dear. The antiseptic liquid might hurt a little, but it will clean the area of wound and hence the wound heals faster.
Oh God.
Don't worry, Glenn. We are with you.
Yes, you are brave.
It's done, Glenn. I'm just wrapping the bandage now.
Okay.
I think we need to take an x-ray of your leg to make sure your knee is okay.
What is an X-ray, doctor?
X-rays are special electromagnetic rays that can penetrate the skin. These rays help us see bones and tissues. An X-ray report shows us these things. They are special pictures of the inside of your body.
Wow! So with the help of the camera, you will take the picture?
No, Kelly. There is a special X-ray machine which is used to take such pictures.
Will that hurt, doctor?
No, dear. Not at all.
Okay, doctor.
Let us go to the hospital now. We will go and take X-ray.
I hope he feels better soon.
Yes, he will. Don't worry, Kelly. Dr. Cure is the best. It's been a week. I miss Glenn.
Hey, look! Glenn is coming!
Hey, Glenn!
Yes, Kim. I am coming.
Woohoo! We missed you a lot, Glenn.
Me too.
How are you feeling, Glenn?
I am fine now. Completely healed. Thanks to Dr. Cure.
That's a great news, Glenn. What about your X-ray report?
My X-ray report was normal. It showed no signs of any damage of bone or tissue.
That's great. I am so glad to see you healthy and happy.
Thanks, Jordan. Can we play now? I was just waiting for this day, guys. Yes, definitely.
Let's play Ringa Ringa!
Yay!
Ringa, ringa roses, pocket full of posies. Yara, Yara, we all fall down.
Yara quiz! What is X-ray? A. Sun rays. B. Electromagnetic radiation. B. electromagnetic radiation.
If you like our video and want to watch some more, click on like and subscribe.